Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a beautifully renovated 4-bedroom, 2-bath home right here in Slidell. This house is so charming. The finishes inside are beautiful. It also has a 2-car garage, rear yard access, and a 600 square foot workshop complete with electricity. There's so much to see. Let's go on in and take a look. These front doors are beautiful. I just love this double leaded glass front door. Really helps the curb appeal of this home. Then you step on into this really spacious foyer with the brand new tile floors. Then as we step into the formal living and dining space, one of my favorite things about this home is this double-sided stone fireplace. It's so farmhouse and so charming. I love how big this room is. This is such a bonus space. This could be a great office, formal dining, playroom, game room, you name it. So many possibilities. Let's go see the rest of the home. Coming back through the foyer, we are now in the room that is on the other side of this beautiful double-sided fireplace. This is just such a great focal point for both of these rooms. This is a really nice size space. So this is a den and family room. It's just a great place for hanging out, watching TV. And then we walk on into the newly renovated kitchen. This space is so beautiful. So we have this charming bay window right here that has space for a nice cozy table. And then as we walk on in, you'll notice everything is absolutely beautiful. We have the white painted cabinets, the beautiful subway tile, the gorgeous quartz countertops. There's just everything is absolutely beautiful. Brand new in here. You have to see this space. All right, let's see the rest of the home now. As we walk to the other side of the home, the first door we come to in this hallway is the laundry room. So I love that this is an inside laundry room, but also there's so much space in here. There is shelving on both sides. I love that additional inside storage. Now the second door we come to is the 2-car garage, which is a great feature to have. And then we come to the first of the 4 bedrooms. Would you look at the space in here? This is such a great room. There's room for a king-size bed if you wanted to. All right, on to bedroom 2. One of the great things about this house is that all the flooring has been replaced throughout, and who doesn't love brand new flooring throughout the home? The other thing is that these rooms are flooded with natural light, and all of the closets are such a good size. This is not even the biggest closet, and how nice is this space? All right, on to the next. The next room in this hallway that we're gonna come to is the shared bath, and this is such a great space. Everything is so light, bright, and airy, and I love how much cabinet space there is. Look at this big linen cabinet over here. Lots and lots of room in here. All right, on to bedroom 3. Along with all that new flooring and paint throughout this house, there are also all new light fixtures. There are new ceiling fans in each one of these rooms. Now, we're in bedroom 3 of the 4. And again, lots of natural light and lots of room in here. You could easily fit a queen-size bed and additional furniture. Now, this is one of the best closets. Look at this one. Look at how much space there is in here. This is really a great bonus. All right, let's check out that primary bedroom. I just love how much space this room has. It is so big. So of course you could fit a king-size bed. And if you're one of those people that has the big furniture, this is your spot. And if you're not, you've got a lot of extra room. All right, let me show you my favorite thing about this room. Look at this closet. It's huge and it's got all the built-ins, so much space. I love a well-utilized closet. Let's go check out that ensuite. So along with everything else in this house, we also have fresh finishes in this bathroom. So we've got it all painted light, bright, and airy, and then the really nice modern 12 by 24 tiles. What a nice space. All right, still lots more to see in that backyard. The outside space for this home has so much to offer. So you step right out onto this large concrete patio, so much space for entertaining. And then the yard is fully fenced all the way around. Such a great space. Now, my favorite thing about this house is that big workshop back there. Let's go take a look at that. This is the workshop that dreams are made of. 600 square feet right here in your own backyard. It even has 220 electric, its own air conditioner, and an insulated garage door. This place is absolutely fabulous. What is not to love? My name is Carrie Lawless. Make your appointment today.